This is David, and we're at the old Show and Shine for the old Car Club annual event, and David has a
Model A Ford 1929
coupe, sporting version of the 1929.
Yes.
And okay, we'll go back to you. When did you get this car, Dave?
About 3 years ago. It came from north of Sydney, but it came in from America as a left-hand drive car. We converted it to right-hand drive to make it easier to drive in Sydney.
That's advisable. And did the car come in the condition that it's in now? Or?
It looked like this, but it didn't go like this.
Ah, a little bit of engine work.
Engine work, brake work. It had one-wheel brake when we got it, so it didn't stop very well.
Okay. You tell us about any exciting features. We're talking about the windows. They don't wind.
The windows wind up.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
In this one, but the front window opens as well, so you get a breeze through if you wanted to.
That's I remember those. The old. Yeah, that's a Ford thing too, isn't it? You know, like.
A lot of them did that.
Yeah. And upholstery.
Upholstery. We redid the upholstery.
Yeah.
The original upholstery looked like old tea towels. It was very.
Yeah. It is nice upholstery. That's what do they call that?
Vinyl.
Vinyl, yeah. It's
Synthetic.
Yeah. A lot of people prefer that than leather.
Well, you can clean it a lot easier.
Yeah. And have you got to prime it before you start it or anything?
No, but you've got to know how to start it. It's got a pedal to operate the starter, not a key. The key is only just to turn the ignition on.
Right. Can we have a little look at the engine? Yeah. And what size engines in these things?
It's about a 3.2 litre 4-cylinder motor, side valve,
It's
and it's 6-volt. It's 6-volt. It's not 12.
oh right, yeah, yes. I won't go there, but a friend of mine was doing up one and put a 12-volt battery on it and burnt the system out.
Yes.
Yes, that's a good
what
trick.
happens.
Yeah. So once it gets going, it'll be
It does about 80 to 90 kilometres an hour on the freeway.
yeah, it'd sort of have plenty of torque, wouldn't it?
Yes.
You know, the engine size once you wound it up.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not a lot of rev. It's revs like a diesel engine. About 3,000, 4,000 RPM. But that's about it.
Yeah, that's modern 3000s normally 110 in my car. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Only a 3-speed gearbox and crash gearbox.
I was going to say crash. Yeah.
Crash gearbox.
Yeah. No synchro on that.
Synchros.
Do you embarrass yourself occasionally at all?
Occasionally, yes. You get from a modern car into this, and then you realise, oh, you've got a double shuffle. And first gear is across and down where second usually is. So you've got to be careful you don't go across and up, because that's reverse.
That's embarrassing.
That's embarrassing.
and you've put the 4-wheel brake drums on this one.
They all came with 4-wheel brake drums.
Oh, they did. Oh, it's just needed repairing.
Yeah.
Right. Well, I'll just film the front of the beast again. Yeah, that's all right. The mascot,
It's designed by Edsel. The whole car was designed by Edsel Ford,
including the mascot.
including the mascot. It was a replacement from the T model of Henry's.
Yeah.
So Edsel designed the car, and that was his mascot.
Okay.
And it's a quail.
Okay. Thank you very much, David.
That's okay.
Okay, I'll carry on a little bit. Yeah, David was just saying that this is a standard version. The deluxe version came with a dicky seat.
It's got a boot.
But this one actually has a boot, which is marvellous.
It's a big boot because
Yeah,
the dicky seat opened the other way and your legs went down there.
yeah, and you can go touring.